Hello, I am Jaydeep Mundra from Transpet India. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars for packing various food and beverages. Today, in this video, we are introducing our new square threaded cans. We already have round threaded PET cans in 50, 60 and 80 mm mouth size. In the new square threaded range, we have 430 ml and 500 ml in 60 mm mouth size and 1000 ml in 80 mm mouth size. Our cans are 100% food grade, airtight, unbreakable, BPA free, odorless, above 250 microns, lightweight and reusable. It comes with attractive cap colors in PET and PP. In PP, we provide embossing also for customers as per requirement. The cans are sealed with aluminium easy open end, which is tamper-proof lid, which ensures that there cannot be any adulteration with the product packed inside. For more information about these cans and other products that we make, please contact us. We also make PET can seaming machines. Details of these machines and other products are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.